This is a brand new 2014 BMW 3 Series. This car has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, BMW apps, BMW Assist, a sunroof, heated seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, high-intensity headlights, a smartphone adapter, commercial-free satellite radio, Dakota leather upholstery, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: comfort access, the M Sport package, cruise control, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, side impact airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.